do a slight hinge from the hips. Place your right arm behind your head. And now from here we're focusing on opening up the hips. So as you rotate, you want to lead with your hips and not with your torso. So now rotate. Good, keep opening up. And then relax. Good. You're going to do 10 to 15 repetitions or until you feel a difference in the hip flexor muscles. So that pelvis in first. So rotate in. Yeah. So rotate in first. And then rotate out, opening up from the pelvis. We're going to do that like 3 times. Shit is hard.
Yeah.
Now the regular version of airplanes, you start off in the same position. You're going to step back into a slight lunge. Get into a slight hip flexion position. But now from here, you're going to lift the back leg off the ground. And now try to rotate your hips. And now rotate in. And same as the other ones, 10 to 15 repetitions until you feel a difference in the hip.